So guys, basically this is a travel design website for flight ticket. Basically, you can actually book flights, hotel, car, visa, fuel and rest. So basically, you can see how it looks like. Now you can see future flight. These are available flights. Destination have pictures for you. These are available flights. So you can actually book flights here, and you can actually book an hotel. You understand from this particular website. So you can see how the website looks like. And also at the same time, you can also recommend. You can also rent a car, like when you get to your destination, something like that. So how that it works basically. That it works. So this is what I'm going to show you how to design. You can see. I'm going to show you how to design this. Start an account. You can log in and you can see what you want to see. So see for the hotel. For cars and the rest. So basically that. So let's get started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And also at times I give free source code, but this particular one is paid. So let's continue. So for us to do this, first we go to our control panel. Now I'm using direct admin web control panel. You can use any control panel if you like using. We have the normal control panel. So let me upload the source code. So I'm going to click on upload. And yeah, so this is the source code, and I'll start uploading. So we just have to wait for a few seconds for it to completely upload. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. It's going to help me. I'm going to do more videos, and click the notification bell to get notified. You can also check out my other YouTube channel for more free source code, because that other one I cannot give more free source code compared to this one. So stay tuned. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. So while loading, we just use the opportunity to click the notification bell and click the subscribe button. Okay. Also, you can see my number on the screen. In case you need the source code, you can just DM me WhatsApp or Telegram. I'm always available. So we're done uploading. So we're going to click done. So we're going to extract this file now, right? So once you extract this file, you can dispose this. Just remove this. Okay, so open this file. You select the file. You move to your PHP underscore HTML folder. So remove it there. So we can now delete this file this folder. So that is it about that. So we have this original, right? So we'll get our URL because it uses automatic installation. So get our URL, copy our URL, go here /install, right? So hold on a sec for it. So we'll load up. So you can see they said everything is enabled here, right? So they said IMAP PHP extension. So this is enabled. So we fix this. So I'm going to do that. We'll go back to this, type PHP. I'll just come here and type PHP here. PHP, select PHP. So wait for this to just load up. So so you see the extension. You can click on option. Now you click on options. Now we are looking for this is kind of a little bit sketchy here when it comes to direct admin. If it were to be PHP version, if it were to be normal control panel, you can just you're going to see it easily. You can just look for it and you're going to find it. Let me just check here. Okay, it's now here, right? So we're going to find this. Okay, so let's click here. So what are we looking for? We're looking for the IMAP extension. So it's out. So this is it here, right? So you just check it, right? Once you check it, we go back, we load the page and see if that's the actual file. Wow, that's it. So we'll move to the next thing. We'll go to the next thing. So I'll find permission. Alright, set up database. So now we're going to create a database. So we'll go back here, we'll go to our dashboard, we'll look for database. We'll create a database, just call it flight, right? So we copy this, we open this, paste it there, right? So when we're done with that, so we go back to the file. Remember that asks for our database name, which is this, and our password. So we're done. So you're going to check your database. So database is active. So we're going to put the name of the website there. Right. Let's start this. Let's forget about this. So we can just change this. So basically, remember what I said, this must be 32. So let me just count it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so our username is superadmin, yes, cool. So we can just change this to our domain, right? And our password. So you're not going to see the password, so just fill yours the same way, right? So we're done with all this now, right? So click on install. Now click on install and wait for it to install. While we're waiting, you can see my number on the screen in case you need the source code. It is not free, and aside this, also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos. We have successfully installed the flight travel website, so hotel and the rest. So basically you can see this is our login credential, right? So we can just decide to just copy this and paste here. Can make it easier. Then we can just decide to go to our website. At the same time, go to our admin page. Whoops, it's loading the initial one. That's not what we're supposed to see. So we're in another browser. Data storage. So let's click here and see. So it's saying something, it's saying required max on execution runtime 120. So I will go to our settings to fix this issue. So basically we have this error, right? It's not an error, so it's an error. So basically, but we're using direct admin, which make it a little bit sketchy. So what we're going to do now, we'll go back to this. Now, if it were to be PHP, it were to be normal control panel, that is kind of a cPanel, that's kind of white and orange in color. So basically we're just going to search multi in something like that. You're going to see something, you're going to click on it, select your domain and edit it. But since we're not using that, we're not going to do this. Since we're using this, what we're going to do is we're going to click on this, type PHP and click on settings, PHP settings. Then you click on add, this add here, you see it down there, you click on it. When you click on it, so appear like this, then you click on select, then you search for max execution time, which I have done already. You click on it and you type 160, just like what I did here at 160. Then you save it. You understand? Then you save it. And once you save it, you're done. So that's that about that. Then we'll go back to home page and see if it actually works. So click. So basically you can see it has loaded up already successfully. You can see how it looks like. We can actually search for any city we want to. Let me just click on this and select a city, and I can easily click on destination, date of departure, and search. If there's any available flight, it's going to pop up basically, but if there is none, it's not going to pop up. So basically we'll successful, so there's no available flight. Now you can also log into the admin to fix all these related issue of available or unavailable flight basically. So I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to access that. Okay, let me just do that. Copy my username and I'm going to copy the password. Then I'm going to log in. Then you can see this is the admin dashboard already. You can see. So basically you can set up anything you want to set up on the admin dashboard. Set up users, CMS, flight and the rest. Yeah. So basically you can set up all those things. You can do that. So basically, for instance, now we have module, we have different module. Basically, we have all this stuff here. All this these are different flights name, hotel bed, this blah 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 blah. So very like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Stay tuned. You can play around the admin panel if not now properly. Thank you for watching. If you need the script, feel free to DM me on WhatsApp.